everybody acknowledges that there were issues and challenges with respect to the training aspect of some of these moderate opposition fighters. But what has proven effective in the past, particularly in Syria, has been the equipping part of training and equipping.
How do Syrian rebels get their hands on TOW missiles?
We have, there's any number of ways. First of all, we have supplied some of the Syrian forces that are fighting ISIL in northern Syria. We talked about that before.